Hello mga amiga ubigo, sawadee ka. We are now in the series number 25, Life of a Teacher. So who are qualified to be dependent in your visa or the non-O visa? Aside from your husband, your partner, or your wife, you can also apply for dependent visa for your mother and father and to your children. But to your brothers and sisters, no, they are not qualified. So what are the requirements? For example, gusto nyo maging dependent sa visa mo, yung mama at papa mo or your mom and dad mo, so attach your birth certificate and certified it in the Philippine Embassy at pag-green stamp sa Department of Foreign Affairs dito sa Thailand. What about your children? It's the same birth certificate, then certify it, then get a green stamp in the Ministry or Department of Foreign Affairs. Of course, with their passport at lahat ng documents mo naka-attach doon. Ano mga documents sa pag-process ng visa mo is just the same thing with your dependents. Certificate of employment, passport, of course, the payment. So, yun ang Now, what age? Yun ang problema kung ano ba talaga ang edad na pwede maging dependent ang mga bata sa visa ng kanilang parents. Yan ang pag-usapan natin sa next video natin. It might be tomorrow. Yes.